and welcome back to No Fear Cooking. I'm sure you had a great time for Thanksgiving with family and friends. And here we are having the special basket. And I'm going to pull everything. We're going to do an Asian chicken. And the basket is here because my family did the shopping. And I see a cabbage, a Chinese cabbage. We're going to use some nice peas. I see they even measure for me 2 cups of chicken, soya sauce. Oh, this smells so good. Ginger, fresh ginger. We're going to use it in this recipe. I'm going to put it there. A nice stir-fried vegetable is in the can. Baby carrots, a bamboo shoot, and chestnuts. That's giving an Asian chicken the perfect taste. It's going to be wonderful and it's not taking so long. So between Thanksgiving and Christmas, let's have something that is easy and you're going to love it. We have some mushrooms or a can of mushroom. So with all the ingredients, we have them. I have even a little bit of flour. Let me open everything, arrange everything, and I'll see you in just about 2 minutes. I have my pan ready and let's just slice the cabbage. It's about 2 to 2.5 cups of Chinese cabbage. We are going to just saute it a little bit with the peas together. And just tiny bit, I'll put just maybe a teaspoon of water on it. I really wanted to have it crisp and it will take about 3 minutes. And if you like to put more, that's good. If you like to put a little bit less, it's good. So let's combine them together. And also, we are going to throw in about 8 ounces of, well, I'll put just 4 ounces of the mushroom, fresh mushrooms, or if you like to, you can use the canned one if it's a little bit easier. So let's saute for about 3 minutes. I don't want them to be well done, but just a tiny bit. Mushrooms will give a great taste with the cabbage and the peas. So far, this is the hardest part of the recipe. For 3 minutes, you have to have patience to saute them a little bit together. We are coming back in 3 minutes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull all these veggies right here, right now. First step is done. We have the veggies. We'll have the second step, 1/4 cup of cooking oil. And then right away, I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of flour. We are going to make a nice creamy sauce for our Chinese Asian chicken, and we're going to stir well, and immediately I'm going to add, for a very good flavor of our meal, a heaping spoon of the ginger, the fresh ginger that we just have it. Perfect. Let's have it there, and the smell with that will be really, really, really good. I'm going to have it on the plug. It's on medium. And I'm going to let it show you how we are doing this roux for the sauce. I'm having 2 cups and a half. Oh, I just have to stop to smell the ginger. It smells so good. And I'm having 2 cups and a half the chicken stock warming up. I like to start it with really hot chicken stock, and then we won't have a lot of problem with the roux to have bubbles in it. It will be perfect smooth, actually. Very, very smooth. So I'm going to let cook a little bit the flour. Babette, is that smelling good? Are you swallowing? Is that smelling good? And I'm going to show you my chicken broth. It's bubbling there. It's ready. I'm going to have it in a minute. Did you got that, Nathaniel? All right, this is cooking well here. Very soon, The ginger is giving such a fragrance. It's really, really good. Again, between the holidays, this is a great meal to have. I'm giving just a little bit color. And then the rest will go 1, 2, 3, all the vegetables in, all the flavors, chicken, soy sauce, everything will be good. So now let's pour the hot chicken broth. And look how nice that goes. Very, very. 2 cups and a half. That's all we need. I have some rice on the side going on. Yes. Okay. Let's make it nice and smooth. This was the hardest part of the recipe. Would you believe it? It's hard. It's not. But just another step and then it's done. Chicken broth was added. I'm going to let it bubble for a little bit. And then I'm going to add my soy sauce and all the other vegetables together. Serve it with a little bit of rice when it's done. I'm going to let it cook for about a minute here. You have to. A minute or so. And I'm going to add a little bit of the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons will be, and then you can add a little bit more at your table if you like a little bit more soy sauce. But just start with 2 tablespoons. That will be my taste to it. And now I'm going to start with the bamboo shoots. Just about 6 ounces. I'm going to have next the water chestnuts. And I rinse them and dry, so it's good to do that. And let's have, from a whole can, I would put just about half of the vegetables. And next time, if you like the whole, well, you know what? Let's put the whole can. That would be good. The whole can of the stir fry would be perfect. And I rinse it and dry it. That will be good. Let me add our cabbage and peas and mushrooms right on the side there. And my rice is cooking. I'll add a couple of the baby corn, 6 ounces. Let's give it a stir. And then we are adding our chicken. Smells wonderful. It's a very nice evening meal to have and not time consuming. And let's have the chicken now. I'm going to add, there are about 2.5 cups of chicken. If you like them a little bit smaller cut, but they'll mix in, they'll break also, so it's perfect the way it is. And I'm going to put the top and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes all together till everything gets nice and warm together. And we'll come back in about just 2 minutes. Just let everything to warm up. So we are coming right back. And this will be on medium low. Coming back in 2 minutes. And our dinner is ready. The rice is ready. The smell is wonderful. Ginger and soy sauce and all the vegetable. And again, I just wanted to, look how nice. Everything is warm together. The chicken was cooked, so it's left over from a grilled chicken. Or you cook the chicken raw before you put it in the veggies. So it's all done. Took about 3 minutes to incorporate all the veggies together to get them nice and hot. So I'm going to stop my stove. I'm going to have a little bit of rice on the side here. I just cooked a little bit of rice. It's not cold enough yet, but let's see. This is delicious and such a simple yet interesting meal to have between the holidays or any time. So you decide if you like a little bit more of the other veggies, it's okay. But I'm telling you, it's absolutely delicious. I'm going to take a bite to see. Wow, perfect, don't need any more salt. I'll have a little bit soy sauce on the side if you like to. A little bit, just a tiny bit, but everything is just perfect. Have it with noodles or rice and chicken again. It's cooked before you put it to the veggies. Enjoy it. Manja manja. Till next time.